unboxing video of the new M4 MacBook Air. Alright, so let's go ahead and check what's inside. Andito na yung manuals para dito sa M4 MacBook Air. Ang laman nito, some instructions. I think there's 1, 2, 3 papers or 4 papers pala. So I was looking for the Apple sticker. Wala siyang laman. Okay lang. We have the power adapter here. This is the brick. Ewan ko kung bakit ganun. Kasama niya 3 prongs, but that's what you get when you buy from GreenHills. So getting my focus right here on my phone. Right here we have the Apple braided cable na kasama dito. This is the MagSafe cable. So it's in light blue. So let's put everything aside for now. So I can't really wait to turn this thing on. I like the color of this. So when you buy an Apple, any Apple device, talagang it feels premium. So the color I chose is the sky blue. So pag tinitingnan mo dito, it looks like silver sometimes. There's an angle na parang silver lang siya. Pero in this video makikita mo parang light blue siya. Pero parang paiba-iba rin. Anyways, I dig the color. And yeah, I really love it. Okay, i-power on na natin yung laptop. As soon as you open the lid, it will power on. Let's remove this cover right here, protective cover from the display. And let's just wait for it to boot. We're gonna set this up. And let's do some cinematic right here, shall we? But before that, saksak ko muna pala to para mag-start charging na siya. So as you can see right now, I'm setting up the laptop, and also I am recording the whole entire screen. So whatever I'm doing right now is being done right here dito sa new M4 MacBook Air. This laptop is so great. It's more than capable. It has the M4 chip. So let's check real quick the temperature right now. See the temperature, it's 61, 59. What I got here is the 16 gig right there, 16 gig 512. And also, as you can see, I'm doing the voiceover on this Mac. So this is more than capable, guys. Napakaganda. So this is not a review. This is just an unboxing, but I'm just showing you that this M4 MacBook Air is more than capable.
Hey, what up, say?
And there you have it, folks, the unboxing of the new M4 MacBook Air. I hope nagustuhan nyo itong video na to. Again, shoutout sa Chet Gadget sa GreenHills. So thanks again for watching. This is Outrun DYC, and see you guys on the next video.